This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, April 8th. I'm James Spann. Showers and storms moving in here tonight. Maybe a little small hail in spots because the air aloft is cold, but no big severe weather problems expected. Go on there and check out some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. That's coming from Gadsden. The sky generally cloudy, a few peaks of sunshine. That's our Skycam at Hamilton from Hamilton High School in Marion County. They've got some thunderstorms just off to the west. On the Alabama Gulf Coast, mostly cloudy. That is the view from the Phoenix All Suites, looking east over toward the pier. And look at this, a little small hail falling today. That's from the campus of the University of West Alabama. That was about 2 o'clock today, and the storms in West Alabama this evening could do the same thing. And again, the reason for that, the very cold air aloft because of this upper trough passing through. Tremendous dynamic forcing, but there's no surface-based instability, so the storms are elevated. So we'll see some gusty winds, some small hail, but nothing beyond that. This was the radar look at 2:39. And note at that point, the Weather Service in Memphis had Monroe County, Mississippi under a severe thunderstorm warning, but we don't expect any of those here as the storms pass through. No flooding tonight, thank goodness. Cooler than average, only 59 up at Fort Payne. Birmingham at 63, the average high today in the low 70s, so many spots about 10 degrees below average. There's our watch warning map, pretty quiet for the 8th of April. Just a few red flag warnings here and there, still some river flood warnings in Alabama. That's the convective outlook for today. Some hail, gusty winds in that 5% zone, mainly west of the state over Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, up around Memphis. And the rain for the next 5 days, not very much. This is valid through Sunday morning of next week. And again, I think tonight we'll probably get a quarter to a half inch, and then beyond that will be dry through Sunday. Take a look at modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon. The trough axis west of the state. Down below that, the sky becomes sunny. Still pretty cool for this time of the year. The high will be only in the middle 60s. This is Thursday. Thursday morning's going to be brisk. We're thinking most spots will be around 40, but the colder pockets could see 30s. And again, places like Valley Head might see a touch of light frost, nothing widespread or damaging. But then we warm up into the middle 70s. It'll feel good Thursday afternoon. This is Friday. Beautiful day. Lots of sun. High mid to upper 70s. And Saturday just as nice. Lots of sunshine. The GFS showing 77. And Sunday looks good. The high will be around 80 with the sky mostly sunny. So tomorrow through Sunday, sunny days, fair nights with a warming trend. And then next week, though, a pretty dynamic system coming in. This is Monday. You can see the energy approaching from the west. Down below that, a surface low developing near Vicksburg, Mississippi at 1 o'clock. Go to Monday night, just after midnight. The surface low is up in the northeastern corner of the state approaching Chattanooga, Tennessee. And on that track, any severe weather should be confined to the southeastern corner of the state. Remember, the severe weather threat's going to be south and east of that surface low. And with it coming right on top of us, that would suggest a big rain event and maybe some flooding problems. But in terms of severe weather, if this is correct, the biggest risk would be down to the south. But we just don't know that yet. This is a week away. It's way too early to call. And then Tuesday of next week at midday, the surface low is near Knoxville or Bristol, Tennessee. On the way out, colder air moving in. Thickness values are coming down. And we'll get highs back in the 50s if this is right. And then the following day, or the middle of next week, this is Wednesday the 16th. Big storm lifting out. And again, we are pretty chilly. In fact, we've seen some evidence might be kind of cold at night. We'll take a look at that. The growers will be watching, as they always do this time of the year. We'll check the end of the forecast, the 24th of April. Energy off to the west, a deep surface low to the west. That would be dry here. But ultimately, we'd see some storms the day or two after that, if that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening, on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.